Hello and welcome back to Easy How To Videos. Today we have a simple yet essential tutorial for you. How to install Google Chrome, the world's most popular web browser. Whether you're on Windows, Mac or Linux, we've got you covered. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your current web browser. It could be any browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Safari or Firefox. Once you're there, type Google Chrome into the search bar and hit enter. Now you'll see the search result page. Google Chrome should be on the first result. Click on it. Here, you'll be taken to the official Google Chrome download page. It's important to download it from here to ensure you get the latest and the most secure version. You will see a big blue button that says Download Chrome. Click on it. Before you download, you'll be asked to review and accept the terms of service. Be sure to read through it if you like. Then click Accept and Install. The download process will begin automatically. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you'll see the file at the bottom of your browser. Click on it to start the installation. If you are using Windows, the User Account Control prompt will pop up, asking if you want to allow this app to make change on your device. Click Yes to continue. Now the Google Chrome installer will open. It will automatically detect your operating system and start the installation process. Chrome will now be installed on your computer. This may take a minute or two, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a screen that says Google Chrome is installed. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Chrome. And there you have it folks, installing Google Chrome is easy. Thanks for watching Easy How To video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Easy How To videos. If you have any question or topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time and happy browsing!